I got a headache in my stomach. Oh, oh Lord.
चंकी कहाँ थे इतनी देर? What was happening? ऐसे लग रहा था बाथरूम में कोई वर्ल्ड वॉर चल रहा है.
वर्ल्ड वॉर तो मेरे पेट में चल रहा है. पता नहीं भावना, I've got a lot of bloating, gas, indigestion.
But I told you last night you just went on and on. Samosa, papdi chaat, biryani. I don't know what all you were eating. बंद ही नहीं हो रहा था. Now your stomach is joking.
No, it's joking.
पर मेरे साथ भी कल रात को मैंने वो चिली पनीर खाया and I've got so much acidity and heartburn and guess what? My stomach is on fire.
Let me get you fizzy Fino.
No, Chunky, wait. Fino से कुछ नहीं होगा. I've already taken my Dipya Acidity tablet by Vedistry for myself. And for you, there's this Dipya Digestive Syrup, one-stop solution for all your bloating, burping and indigestion. And the best part is, it has all natural, well-researched ingredients that's manufactured by Charak Pharma, who are the experts of Ayurveda since 1947. I've also been using Vedistry's Dipya Appetizer and Gut Cleanser for all our family members whenever they're going through their low appetite and constipation issues.
Wowee, this is amazing. Dipya's got everything our gut needs.